Trying to capture that perfect shot, but your gear keeps slowing you down? These best camera accessories are here to make filming smoother and more effortless. From compact clips and sturdy cages to versatile tripods and stable gimbals, each accessory helps you shoot with greater ease and control. Whether you're traveling or filming on set, these tools keep your camera ready for every moment. So, let's get started. Well, starting with a light that feels like a serious upgrade for any setup. The Zhiyun MOLUS X200 RGB. This may look compact, but it delivers a massive 200 watts of output, which means you can use it as a key light in portraits, a punchy accent on location, or even as a main source for product shoots. It's small, but it plays big. With this, you also get full control over color. The range goes from 2500 Kelvin to 10,000 Kelvin, so whether you're blending with warm lamps indoors or shooting against daylight outdoors, it matches seamlessly. And because it's full RGB, you can add creative color washes with a simple dial twist. No gels, no wasted time. It's like having endless lighting moods in one box. The design pushes it further. At under a kilo, it's easy to carry, yet it comes with a Bowens mount, so all your existing modifiers, softboxes, reflectors, beauty dishes, click right in. Add power flexibility too. Use it with a V-mount battery on location, plug it into mains in the studio, or even run it from USB-C PD when you're packing light. If you want a light that's bright, accurate, portable, and adaptable, this one stands out. It's the kind of tool you add once, and then wonder how you managed without it. Ever lost the perfect shot because your audio cut out mid-scene? The RØDE Wireless micro camera receiver is built to make sure that never happens again. Designed to work effortlessly with up to 2 wireless micro transmitters, it connects directly to any camera, ensuring smooth operation with true plug-and-play convenience. Moreover, its universal compatibility means you can switch between rigs without extra cables or adapters slowing you down. Thanks to its best-in-class line-of-sight range, you get consistent signal strength even in wide or crowded locations. No interruptions, no retakes. In addition, the receiver's dedicated gain control helps you balance audio levels right on the spot, keeping every take clean and usable. Its ultra-compact, lightweight build blends neatly into any camera setup, adding function without bulk. Besides, the intelligent plug-in power detection extends battery life by shutting down automatically when not in use. That means longer shoots, fewer worries, and audio you can always depend on. Next up, we have the ULANZI Falcam F22 Ultra Quick Release, designed to make mounting and releasing your action camera faster than ever. With its clever blend of traditional mortise and tenon design and modern mechanical structure, you can slide your camera in or out with a simple push, saving valuable time on set or during adventures. Durable and finished with a smooth Monet gray anodized coating, the F22 combines strength with ease of use. Moreover, the dual ears base converts standard Go action camera interfaces into an F22 quick release system, expanding compatibility across a wide range of devices. The knob and polyoxymethylene washer provide a strong locking force, keeping your camera secure even in active or rough conditions. In addition, the 1 or 4-inch screw hole allows for quick mounting onto tripods or other accessories, giving you flexibility for diverse shooting scenarios. Thanks to its solid construction, you get stability and durability without compromising portability. Looking for a gimbal that's compact and powerful enough for mirrorless and DSLR cameras? The Zhiyun Weebill S delivers just that. Its ergonomic sling mode reduces effort during underslung shooting, letting you capture dynamic angles comfortably. Moreover, the 8th Instune algorithm keeps movements smooth and eliminates jitter, even in fast-paced or challenging environments. With a 14-hour battery life, the Weebill S ensures uninterrupted filming, while the optional trans-mount image transmission module enables 1080p 30 frames per second streaming to up to 3 devices at once. This lets you turn smartphones, tablets, or monitors into synchronized remote displays, giving you more control over your shots. The dual focus control system and quick release mechanism make adjustments easy and precise, while the OLED display shows real-time settings for better monitoring. For its compactness, it is suitable for both studio and outdoor filming. Moving on, we got the Accsoon Toprig S40 motorized camera slider, designed to deliver smooth, stable motion for a variety of shooting scenarios. It provides steadfast support for lenses ranging from 24mm macro to 200mm telephoto, ensuring every shot stays steady. Moreover, its brushless motor operates under 30 decibels, creating a quiet environment ideal for video and time-lapse projects. The S40 handles loads up to 2.5 kilograms vertically and 4 kilograms horizontally, accommodating micro single cameras and light movie setups. In addition, stepless speed control from 0.1 to 5 centimeters per second gives precise movement for creative framing, while full button operation allows easy control without relying on an app. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can remotely manage time-lapse sequences, shutter functions, and A or B point adjustments, giving you flexibility during shoots. Plus, it runs up to 60 hours horizontally on a single NPF 550 battery and includes a 5-volt power output port for added convenience. Compact and versatile, the Toprig S40 elevates the efficiency and stability of your camera work. For photographers who want quick access to their camera without the hassle of constantly unpacking, the PGYTECH Beetle camera clip is a smart and sturdy solution. Made from lightweight aluminum alloy, it attaches firmly to your backpack strap, keeping your camera secure and within reach during travel or outdoor shoots. Moreover, its sleek design adds convenience without weighing you down. The Arca Swiss compatible plate allows you to mount your camera or accessories easily, while the patented screw design ensures a snug, stable fit that won't loosen during movement. In addition, the clip supports installation from any direction, letting you adjust your camera's position for balance and comfort. Inside, the anti-slip rubber lining grips your strap tightly to prevent shifting, so you can move freely without worrying about the camera slipping. Whether you're hiking, exploring cities, or working on location, the Beetle camera clip keeps your camera ready to capture every moment in an instant. Here's a tripod that combines stability and portability for any shooting scenario. The K&F Concept camera tripod folds compactly for easy transport, while still offering adjustable height to suit different perspectives. Moreover, its lightweight design makes it convenient to carry for outdoor shoots or travel adventures. Equipped with a 360-degree ball head, it allows smooth rotation and flexible angles for precise framing and panning. In addition, the quick flip leg locks enable fast setup and adjustments using just one hand, saving time and keeping your focus on capturing the perfect shot. The center column design supports low angle and creative shooting, expanding your range of possibilities. Plus, with standard 1 to 4 inch mounting, it works seamlessly with most cameras and accessories, offering compatibility without extra adapters. Combining ease of use, flexible positioning, and dependable support, this tripod can be a reliable tool for photographers and videographers seeking efficiency and creative freedom on every shoot. Ever struggled with harsh shadows or uneven lighting during a shoot? The Neewer Speedlite helps solve that problem by giving you precise control over your lighting. Its vertical and horizontal angle adjustments let you direct light exactly where you need it, making every shot look polished. Compatible with a wide range of cameras, including Canon, Nikon, Sony, Fujifilm, and more, it fits any standard hot shoe for quick setup. Moreover, the adjustable power output allows you to fine-tune brightness across multiple levels, so you can adapt to different environments without hassle. Thanks to its easy-to-use design, you can quickly test, charge, and power off the flash, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Plus, its lightweight and compact build makes it convenient for both indoor and outdoor shoots. Whether you're capturing portraits, events, or creative projects, this Speedlite provides enough illumination and flexible positioning to enhance your photography. To elevate your shooting setup, the FEELWORLD S55 field monitor delivers a clear and bright view, making it easier to frame shots and monitor your footage in real time. Moreover, its wide viewing angle ensures consistent image clarity for multiple crew members, whether you're on a gimbal or a lightweight camera rig. The monitor also comes with helpful video assist features that guide exposure and focus, so you can quickly identify any adjustments needed without interrupting your workflow. In addition, you can preview the intended look during shooting, giving you greater creative control and confidence in every frame. Thanks to its flexible tilt arm, the S55 can be positioned for optimal viewing from any angle, providing convenience across different shooting setups. Plus, it allows powering your camera directly from the monitor, so you can keep filming longer without worrying about battery life. With versatile mounting options, this monitor integrates seamlessly into your rig, offering improved efficiency for field and studio productions alike. Last on the list, this Neewer camera video cage is built to give creators more control and flexibility during shoots. Designed for a wide range of DSLR and mirrorless cameras, it provides a secure foundation for both photography and filmmaking setups. Moreover, its ergonomic dual hand grips and top handle make it easy to capture steady footage, even when shooting from low angles. In addition, the integrated dual rod base allows for smooth positioning and supports essential accessories like follow focus systems, lens supports, and hoods. Multiple threaded mounting points on the cage let you attach monitors, microphones, or lights, helping you build a complete shooting rig without clutter. Thanks to the quick-release thumb screw, you can mount or remove your camera in seconds, while the silicone padding keeps it protected from scratches or slips. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum with an anodized finish, this video cage delivers both strength and durability. Ideal for filmmakers who need a dependable, adaptable rig for any shooting environment. That's it on the best camera accessories to buy in 2025. If you've tried or purchased any of these accessories, let us know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this.